Alright, I'm at Target by my house, and all they got is Mystique and one Venom from the Venom Pull Wave, and that'll be for Legends. And as always, music is blessed, and nothing really for bots. And for Multiverse, nothing new, but if I see anything else, I'll let you guys know. Let's see what they got for elites. They got Roman Reigns, and they got an Ultimate Edition Finn Balor. Apologize for the glare. And for Black Series, they got the House Trooper and the vintage card backs, but that'll be it. This is where they got the pops at an end cap. They just got Me Too and Cubone 10-inch pops. And this is new Wolverine, Cyborg, Spider-Man. There's about 3 of them. Look like they just got it in. They do got the Target exclusive Master Chief and a couple of the Office Pops. But that'll be it. A couple days ago, I had received something from Hot Topic, and let me just do the unpackaging. I guess you could call it unpackaging for you guys. And I had ordered 2 shirts, and it's just oh, I got Hot Cash, and it's just the return label. But let me just open the first shirt. And I've been eyeing this shirt for how long, and it was on sale, so I decided to pick it up. But first shirt is Snake Eyes and Storm Shadow. There you go. And speaking of G.I. Joe, can't wait for the new Classified series to come out. And the second shirt is favorite show that's on right now, and I believe tomorrow, Friday, is the finale of season 2. But I had ordered The Mandalorian. It says this is the way. There you go. And here's one last look of the shirts I got. Snake Eyes and Storm Shadow. And Mandalorian. Alright, peace. Alright, we're here at Target in Waldorf. And it's Sunday, December 20, 5 days till Christmas. And what I'm looking for are Black Series from The Mandalorian. Hopefully we can find some and catch you guys inside. Alright, we'll start with the elites, and they just got Io Shirai, but that's about it. They do got the steel cage. And for Star Wars, as you guys can see, really nothing. And they do got the Luke and Yoda 2-pack, but that's about it. This is the haul portion of the video, and today I only went to Target, Walgreens, and Bucks A Million. Didn't record at Walgreens and Bucks A Million. They didn't have nothing there, but I did meet up with my cousin because he had ordered me something from Amazon, and as you can tell, I had already cut the package open just to save time for the video. And what he had ordered for me was a OtterBox commuter case for my phone, and I have the iPhone 11 Pro Max, and I highly recommend these cases. I know they're a bit expensive, but you could catch them on Amazon for a good price, and this was on sale for 20 bucks. And from yesterday, from the Target that was near my house before I had got to work, I picked up the Star Wars Black Series of Grogu, Baby Yoda, the child, whatever you want to call him, and the season finale. All I gotta say is freaking dope. To me, it's better than all of the Star Wars movie combined. That's just me, but here's Baby Yoda. And I've been eyeing this set for quite some time. It's from the Star Wars Mission Fleet line, and you can see Mando and Baby Yoda, but I only bought it for this one, and I'm not sure if the Baby Yoda in this set is the same size as this one. We'll see. And from Target today, I didn't record me seeing this Remnant Trooper, but there were some sales associated where the end cap was, and I didn't want to bother them when I was recording. And there was 3, and I left the other 2. I didn't want to be greedy for other collectors, but there you go. And now I have 2. That's all I need for the Remnant Trooper. But if it does go on sale, I'll probably pick more up. Probably 5 the most, but this was today's haul. And it's just a Star Wars kind of day, and also my phone case, or whatever you want to call it. But I'm gonna cut this part of the video and do the unboxing of these 2. Alright, here's my unboxing and showcase of the Star Wars Mission Fleet of the Mando set and the Star Wars Black Series of Baby Yoda. And here's a closer look of the front side with some product shots. There's the back and all the stuff that the set comes with. There's the other side. And just in case you guys are looking for this set, there's the barcode. And I'm pretty sure you guys know what the packaging looks like. And there you go. And let me just unbox the what do you call this? The Mando set. And here's all the stuff that comes with. And let me take them out of the packaging real quick. I apologize for the loud noise. And hold on. Let me just put the box right here so I could see how it's supposed to be set up. And it does come with instructions, but I don't depend on instructions. Let's see, let's put that there. And here's Mando's jetpack. And I don't think, oh, you could remove the cape and attach his jetpack. There you go. And full rotation of the arm. Could look up that much. Can't really look down. No waist swivel. Kick forward that much. Kick back that much. And there isn't no elbow and knee. I forgot the proper name for the review. Or no single or double jointed elbows or knees. There you go. But he does have full twist of the wrist. And here's, oops. I'm not sure if I was on frame. There's Mando in his Beskar armor, and then Does come with this type missile, and it does have a button right there, so there you go. And let me just put what's his face, his baby carriage, and there you go. And I'm not sure what this one's for. And let me just attach Mando's rifle. You know what? I'm gonna do that later. And here's Baby Yoda. And this is what he looks like in his carriage. And this part right here, you could move it. It does have articulation. And there you go. There's that look. And I might do a repaint of this right here to give it a more chrome look. And there you go. And let me do the unboxing for Baby Yoda. And I'm pretty sure you guys seen a whole bunch of reviews of this dude. Yeah, I don't think I did like, there you go. And it does come with a case, so you could store all the accessories that Baby Yoda comes with, so it won't get lost. And that's pretty nice of Hasbro to include a case. And here he is. And oops, his arms popped off, and the other arm did too. And he does have neck rotation, but that's about it. And let's do a little size comparison with the Baby Yoda that came with the bike set. And wow, they're about the same size. I could have just bought the set instead of buying this, but you know what? It's all good. And let me just put this Baby Yoda right there. And here's this look. Oh, that's sick. I might just keep this version of Baby Yoda in here. And I don't know what I'm gonna do with this one, but I might even put it in my car. We'll see. There you go. And I have a 3 3/4 fig of a Stormtrooper, and I'm thinking, or I'm wondering if it's gonna fit here. And let me just, hold on, let me just cut this part of the video, and I'm gonna put the Stormtrooper on Mando's bike. All right, the Stormtrooper didn't fit with the bike, so here's how Mando's looking on, I don't even know the name of this bike. Speeder bike, duh. But there's that look. So, and I'm gonna cut this part of the video, and I'm put Baby Yoda with the rest of the Black Series that I do have on my shelf. All right, there's Baby Yoda right beside Mando. And here's another look at my Black Series collection. I'm just gonna do an overview shot. And I regret not picking up Kit Fisto when I had the chance to at Bucks A Million, but it's all good. And here's my army of Zuvio peg warmers need love too. And it was on clearance at Target in Brandywine for $2 each. So decided to pick all of them up. And I also did find, what's his name? Zeb from Rebels at Books A Million today, but he's priced at $34.99. That was just too much because I could find him at regular price. And here's a closer look at Baby Yoda with Mando on the Beskar armor. And here's the bottom shelf. And I'm gonna do an overview shot as well. There's Boba. And I can't wait for that wave that has Moff Gideon in it to come out along with the rest of the Mandalorian Black Series. And there's a Remnant Trooper beside the Incinerator and the other Remnant Trooper that I found one day. And I did change my room around again. I'll start here with my WWE belt from Target. And on the top shelf are the gamers and toy collectors. Here's the middle shelf. And the bottom. And in this bookshelf is where I keep all the ones that I have in box or decide to put them back in the box. Here's Lino, Panthro, Jackalman, Storm Collectibles, Marcus Phoenix, and John Wick. And I have John Wick in the Detolf, and I'll show you him in a bit. Here's my SH Figure Arts collection. Here's the Full Power Broly, Goku Black, and the rest of my Dragon Ball collection. Here's Ryu, Sagat, Bruce Lee. Here's some of my books. I do need to start reading The Alchemist. Here's the art book of The Last of Us Part 1 and 2. Kobe, Steve Jobs. Here's my yearbook. And the Ultimate Sneaker book. And right there are where I keep my comics. Case. And I got some cards on display. Favorite Jordan insert from the Beam team. Here's Kobe, LeBron, and Ja. They're rookie cards. And right now, Ja is one of my favorite players in the NBA. And this is where what do you call this? This is where I decided to put the Mando bike set and my Gundams. Here's an overview shot. And let me just open my Detolf. So there isn't any glare. There's the Myfex John Wick, the Enter Bay Jordan, my two Hot Toys, John Wick and Marty. And here are my favorite Marvel Legends, the Jim Lee X-Men. And right here are my favorite NECA that I have in my collection, the movie version of TMNT. There's Mr. Miyagi and Back to the Future. And this is where I have my Joes. And I can't wait for the new Classified series to come out. And I decided to put my X-Men villains up. I hope Hasbro does give us more X-Men villains, especially updated Blob and Toad. And I think I am missing a few more. I do have Sauron, but he's in a bin with the rest of my legends. Here's my favorite anime, Bleach. And Yu-Gi-Oh! And right here are my bot collection. I don't have that much, just have a few. And there's the Nano Gauntlet, along with the Infinity Gauntlet. Here's where I have my DC collection. Don't have that much. And right here on these two shelves is where I used to keep my Marvel Legends. I just decided to put my Pops here again. And the Target exclusive Marty, he's the latest Pop that I did pick up. Here's the Office. Here's a few more. This is where I used to keep the SHF boxes, Mafex, etc. And decided to put my Pops there. And nothing changed here. It's just the same. And here's one last look. And let me just move my chair. And let me just step back a little bit. And this was an updated room tour, unboxing, showcase, hunts. Well, not that much, but just a few hunt. And there's my Charizard slippers that I got from Walmart a couple years ago. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for the love and support as always. But more importantly, love you guys. All right, peace.